The 2018 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, panic alarm, HD radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test